Hey, what's up, guys? This is Everything Crypto. I'm going to show you guys how to buy Dogelon Mars. You guys going to want to download the crypto.com app. Once you guys load the app, you guys are going to want to make sure you guys have money on your guys' fiat wallet. As you guys can see, I have $133 in USD. You guys going to want to go on the track icon, type in Dogelon. So you guys see Dogelon Mars appears here. And I'm going to click on buy. And I'm going to be using my fiat wallet. You guys type in the amount you guys want to buy. You guys can buy. Yeah, I think if I'm not mistaken, you guys are limited to buy up to 34 million at the moment. So let's say I'm going to click on max. I can buy, or I guess it's 35 right now. I can buy. Let's say max I can buy is with $85. I'm going to buy 35 million Dogelon. I'm going to click confirm, and there you go. As easy as that. As you guys can see, I've purchased 35 million Dogelon. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go on my accounts. As you guys can see, I have successfully purchased 35 million Dogelon. Alright, thanks guys.